Welcome to the Veterinary Marketing Podcast, where it's all about helping your veterinary practice attract, engage, and retain clients. Broadcasting a new podcast every Monday from sunny Southern California, here's your host, Brandon Bashirs.
Hey there, everybody. Welcome to episode number 169 and a half. In today's quick in-between episode, we're going to give you a trick or a tip that you can use to help improve your marketing in between our main episodes. So before we begin, first, please be sure to subscribe in iTunes or in Google Play, and be sure to join the Veterinary Marketing Nerds Facebook group if you're looking for more help. It's facebook.com/groups/the Veterinary Marketing Nerds. All right, so today we're going to talk about a quick way to make sure that if you have somebody in your practice who's handling marketing or content, that you're creating a system that's going to help to be successful. And I think that when you're thinking about success in marketing your veterinary practice, one of the biggest concerns and one of the biggest ways to determine whether or not you're being successful or not is your metrics, obviously, right? You need to understand what's working, what's not, and why it is working or why it isn't working. And that being said, a lot of times, if you saddle a person who is a creative person with, putting data into either like a spreadsheet or, mark things down, there's different personality types. And so you have people that love spreadsheets, people that hate spreadsheets. But ultimately, what you need to do is create an easy way to manage and assess your marketing. And so whenever possible, be sure to track specific KPIs, set them out so that they're not overwhelming. I would really try to focus in on maybe 9 or 10 KPIs that you're going to be looking at in terms of, is this working? Is it not really working? Or is it nosediving kind of a situation? So if you can really distill the information down to, is it working? Is it just going okay? Or is it going badly? And make that in a way that is easy to understand, quickly accessible, and even if it can possibly be done by automatically sending you a report or a dashboard that you create in Data Studio. But really, you need to have access to your metrics without going through and diving in. And the more that you can, find a way to get your reporting done, instead of making it analytics, you can get it so that it's reporting, right? It's delivering the most important KPIs to you based on your objectives that you're looking to do. You're going to be a lot more successful. So I just wanted to throw that out there. I've been thinking about that a lot because, especially if you have somebody who's creating content, you're not sure if things are going well or not. Make sure that you have a simple metric that you can use to track and see how things are going, and make it easy for you to access that data, both for you and the person that's handling it. So just wanted to give that quick tip. But if you need any help with your marketing, be sure to head on over to that Facebook Veterinary Marketing Nerds Facebook group, because it's a great place to get help. And if you're not sure what you should be tracking, be sure to post up in there and we'll work this out with you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on next week's episode.